In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use an Oyster card on your phone. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Oyster card on your phone, managing it, and adding balances necessary is an extremely simple process that you can do through the latest version of the TFL Oyster and Contactless. So all that you have to do is open the Play Store or the App Store, and you will find the Transport for London Oyster and Contactless official app. Now, I do want to make a disclaimer really quick and say that as of today, your Oyster card cannot be added to a digital wallet. So keep that in mind. Wallets like the Google Wallet, Apple Wallet, and the Samsung Wallet do not support the Oyster card. So while you can still use your Oyster card and manage it through your phone, just make sure that you are aware of the fact that it cannot be linked to an Apple Wallet, Google Wallet, or Samsung Wallet to use it contactlessly with none of those services. But as long as you use the official Transport for London website, you can still use and manage the card. So as you can see, when you download the app for the first time, you will have the option to sign in using your email address and password. After you are done including your credentials, all the cards currently attributed to your account will appear on the home screen. If you need to, tap on the plus sign at the top right corner and you will be able to include the 12-digit card number to see them appear on this list. Once you do, tap on them to get all the details about the card. This will allow you to top up, see the full history of the card so you can see all the journey history including changes in your balance, and you can use the card from the app. As long as the card properly appears on the list of cards attributed to your account and you see it on the home screen with balance, you are ready to use them directly through the TFL mobile app. I hope I was able to help you on how to use an Oyster card on phone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.